See! Alright guys, I'm going to show you guys how to do flame tune in 3 easy steps on your Supra. That's it. 3 steps. That's it for less than $1,000. Just like that. Just like that.
Before we begin this video, we gotta give a special shout out to today's sponsor, Simply Carbon Fiber. Simply Carbon Fiber provides you with high quality carbon fiber goods and accessories such as this wallet right here. You can insert your credit cards, your money. They also supply other accessories such as phone cases. It's freaking fantastic. I've been using it for 2 months now and I enjoy it, and I've actually got compliments. And they also have other things such as sunglasses, hats, necklaces. Check out their website, simplycarbonfiber.com. And don't forget to use my discount code in the description down below. I'm also gonna paste it right here. Go ahead, check their website out. Drip yourself in some carbon fiber. All right, let's resume back to the video.
All right, step number 1. I'll tell you guys how to do it. Catless downpipe. Don't get a catted downpipe. That's not gonna help you. Catless. You can get it from VSRF. I have a personal one, is CTS downpipe. They all work the same, and that's all you need. You smell that? That's catless. $300. That's it. They send it to you within like 2 weeks, and that's all you need. EcuTech. This is what you need for step number 2. Reason why is a lot of people have boot mode 3 or whatever, BM3 or JB4. Any of those ones do not work. You cannot have a piggyback and you cannot have any other tuning platform other than EcuTech. You're gonna need a license. License is about $550, and the dongle, you can have it or your tuner can have it if you have a local tuner, and it'll be $330. You cannot have the wireless one, and you just have to have the one that plugs in directly, and you cannot do it on your phone. This will do it right here. That's step number 2, $550 and $330. This is optional. Now I want to add something to that. If your ECU is locked, you cannot get tuned. This includes all the 2021s that are past this certain date. So do your research, find what date your ECU is, and see if you can get unlocked. Mine personally was a 2020, but I did have to get it unlocked because there was some type of thing in the dealership that they had to reset the airbags or something. Make sure your ECU is unlocked. That's an extra charge. It varies by tuner, and they can add your EcuTech license with it. Make sure you find out if yours is unlocked. The last thing that you need is the tuner. So there's only one person that can do the tune that I have, right? His name is Leo. We're gonna tag his Instagram down below, and basically he's the one that made this flame map. So his flame map is beyond the craziest thing I've ever seen in my life. It's like flames like as this big. It's crazy. So he's the only one that can do it. You have to DM him and say you want that SUPZLLA tune. If you don't say that, he's not gonna give you the sauce, man. So you need that. I know I said before about the dongle. You can go up to anyone that has that dongle and they can use that and flash that tune for you. You have the data log. He's gonna tell you all the things that you need to do, and he's gonna set you straight with the fueling. Doesn't matter. I have E50. It works on 91. It works on everything. So you have to DM him. He got the magic. I don't got the magic, but you gotta tell him that you want that type of magic, and it happens, bro. I'm telling you, that's what I did. So you guys been messaging me, telling me, oh, nice flame kit, nice this, nice that. You got spark plugs. There's no spark plugs in the exhaust. This is all tuned. I don't want to put no holes in this exhaust. There's nothing at all. So this is just, I don't even know what that is. I think that's for the valve or whatever. But this is all tuned, nothing else. That's it. 3 things under $1,000. Downpipe, EcuTech license, and now you got the tuner. You got everything that you need from me. Now you can put it on your own Supra. My name is Cameron, that's my SUPZLLA, and here's some clips from what I was talking about. Peace.
Popcorn.
Oh, it's way too far, man.
Ha ha ha!